Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to a quick episode of ArcGIS. This video is just to let you know one quick tricks when you have a composite image or a JPG image, how you can make it semi-automatic digitized. So to do that, you need to go to your folder and then going to your image, and you need to double click this, and here you can see there are multiple bands here. You just need to select any of this band. Okay, I am just selecting the band 1 and then okay, and yes, this is my image. I actually cannot semi-automatically digitize this thing without doing some steps. So first thing I need to do is export this image. Okay, so I need to go here and then going to data and then export data. Okay, here I just need to remove everything, no need to put anything else, and then I just need to select the extension for imagine image. Okay, then I need if output folder and selecting this and then add and then save it. Then okay, now my image is exported and I don't need this previous image. I am just unchecking these things, and then I need to go to the properties and then I need to go to symbology and classified. Here I just need to select two classes here. Okay, and then I need to go to the display, and here I just need to select the bilinear interpolation. Okay, then make it apply and then okay, then everything similar. You need to create a shape file first. I am just creating a new shape file and just select the polyline and then similarly the projection system and then okay, then everything similar as before the semi-automatical digitization process.